you guys, it's Anna here. Welcome back and welcome to an art vlog. I wanted to film this art vlog and share with you guys some of the paintings that I have been creating these past few months. I have actually taken the courage of painting larger canvases. It's still daunting, but I think when you get over the hurdle, you're able to, paint anything and even doing a larger canvas than this. Lately I've been really into acrylic pours, so that's just kind of what I've been experimenting and creating different pieces based on that. I've been learning like different techniques for acrylic pours as well. I've been learning like the flip cup method, and then this one is the open cup method, which is very interesting. I've been learning it through different tutorials on YouTube. I forgot their YouTube channel name, but I can leave it in my description in case you guys were curious. I just wanted to create some paintings without an agenda, just kind of going with a peace of mind, going with my intuition. That's kind of how I typically like to do with my process. I'll have some sort of mood board with images, but then ultimately I kind of will intuitively paint. And so this painting, actually, I was quite nervous because of the colors and I just really wasn't sure. And that's something that I definitely battle with just being in my head and constantly doubting myself. But this painting actually turned out much better than I expected, and I think it's because I really just took my time with it. I didn't overthink things too much, and this actually ended up becoming one of my favorite pieces. It's called Lost, and this one's actually available on my website, but I'm really happy with how this one turned out. I think it's one of my favorite pieces I've made so far. So I actually just came back from the dollar store because painting can get really messy and I need to get some new painting tarps. I'm also going to be experimenting with spray paint. I picked up some spray paint from Canadian Tire, and I am going to be just making some fun resin artwork pieces. Today's gonna be more of an experiment day. It's always good to experiment, and also I do recommend experimenting on a smaller canvas. There were so many countless times where I just kind of wanted to go, just screw it and just go for it, where I ended up ruining like a very, very large canvas. So I don't recommend that. So yeah, I am just using some supplies that I have that I'm just going to be experimenting and playing around with. I thought I sort of like check in and sign off on today's art vlog. Thank you so much for, if you guys stuck around to the end of this video to hear me chit chat and update you guys on what's been going on. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I've just been kind of doing a lot of work off camera, off YouTube, which is why I'm only able to like really post like once or twice a month. I feel like that's the kind of schedule I'm able to commit to at this time. Lately, I have just been really busy like creating a lot of paintings, doing art markets, trying to just get my name, get my work out there as much as I can. And I actually got an artist feature where I get to be in this art gallery in my town, by my town, in Kincardine at the Victoria Park Art Gallery. Yeah, it's just been like really surreal and such a wonderful experience. So I've been basically creating paintings for the art gallery as well. So I have just been busy with that, a lot of stuff creating behind the scenes. And yeah, that's pretty much like what I have been up to. I'm also like planning on moving again in December, so I feel like it's gonna be a really busy end of the year for me, at least. I never thought my life would kind of go in this path, but I just feel really called with art. You know, I think for me it's like I have been really enjoying this process of creating, and also just like being in my own place, my own studio, just kind of doing my thing. I've been really enjoying that, and I definitely feel like this is something I want to continue, this art venture, see where this goes, where life will take me as well. Also, I did turn 29 this year in October. I am a Libra. I did turn 29, so I feel like it's so interesting because my mindset has definitely shifted as well. I'm sort of letting go of crazy expectations and just kind of letting the universe and life sort of take me where I need to go. It kind of sounds very woohoo, but I really do believe in that. I feel like when you force things, like things just don't pan out the way that you expect it to. So I definitely am kind of like in that space, and I feel like nobody really has things figured out, even if they're 29 like myself. Like no one really has things figured out. But anyhow, yeah, that's just pretty much what's been kind of going on. Just a little blurb update. Yeah, if you guys have made it this far and also still sticking around despite me just posting not as frequently, I really appreciate that. I really do value people who are coming in and watching and stumbling upon my videos and just even taking the time to comment. I really do appreciate all of that. And if you guys, I guess if you want to see more of like what I'm doing and what I'm creating, I kind of like to film a lot of like behind the scenes kind of art videos. I do have an art Instagram page where you guys can check out my stuff. It's at Anna Yoan Lee. And if you guys are interested in my art and just to kind of see what I'm up to, all these pieces that I've recently been creating are now live on my website, so you guys can check it out at annayoanlee.com as well. Anyhow, I am going to head off. I'm gonna finish editing this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. I hope you guys are staying warm and cozy. It's starting to get really chilly here, so I hope you guys are staying warm and cozy, and I hope you guys are also able to do something fun and creative, do something for yourself. All right, take care.